Hello guys, in this video I will actually share with you with a Chinese API website. If you are not living in China and if you want to consume China models, then this website is very useful for you. I have given the link in the description of the video. So it actually provides you with all the China related models such as DeepSeek, GLM, Qwen, Kimi, Minimax with a single API key. So once you land on the website, the landing page looks something like this. They also offer you with $2 of free API credit. So once you sign up, you will get automatically $2. So the landing page looks something like this. You have all these models simply, and you can directly integrate this API key inside your cursor if you are using cursor clean root code. So I will show you in this video how to integrate that API key. So it is very simple. So click on start free, and there is an option here to log in with your Google account. So it doesn't take too much time. Directly log in with your Google account. So after you log in, you will be redirected to the dashboard area. So now the login is successful, and automatically it creates your API key. As you see, it gives you this default API key. You can copy this, copy to clipboard. They also offer you this playground section as well, where you can try out the models. From here you can select the model, which model you want to use. So all the Chinese based models are there, which is GLM, DeepSeek, Dubao. We also have Minimax, Qwen as well. Let me select the Qwen model and simply select a hi message. Request is temporary due to, so some models are premium, so just select the DeepSeek model. I think their playground section is temporarily unavailable. So now to actually integrate this API key, go to the dashboard area, and you will all see that $2 have been successfully credited inside your account. If you also want to top up, it's very simple. You click on top up, and then you can transfer it through Stripe. Simply account recharge, everything you can do. If you do want to see the documentation how to get started, it's very simple. This is your base URL. It's OpenAI compatible, so directly copy this, and they have various examples given to you. You can either make a simple curl request, or you can simply just create this Python file. Let me just show you how simple it is. So I create this Python file app.py. I paste the example code, and right here you need to paste this API key. So whatever API key that you created, so this is your API key. I simply paste this API key right here. After you create the client, this is the next code that you need to write here. It's given in the documentation. So you select the model DeepSeek chat. You simply select a message hello. Let me run this Python script here. It's very simple. So we simply run the Python script python app.py, import line number 1. Statements must be separated by new lines. Oh, sorry, I think it's a Node.js example, not Python. Sorry, this was my mistake. Let me just turn this to. Just to run this example, node index.js. Just install this model, OpenAI. It will create this package.json file for you. I think I haven't created the package.json file. So npm init dash y. This will create this package.json file. Then we need to install this model, OpenAI, and just change this type to model. Module. So just make this change type to module because we are using import statement. That's why. So it's installing this OpenAI model. The second option is very simple. You install a extension which is Qwen. If you directly want to use this API key inside VS Code, there is an extension that you can install, which is Qwen. If you don't want to use it through Node.js, simply install this extension. I've already installed it, and then just configure this API key. Go to the settings option and just configure the base URL and API key. So you go to the settings, simply select from API provider OpenAI compatible, paste your API base URL and then paste your API key. So it's very simple. And then change the model name, whichever model that you're using. So I am using DeepSeek chat. So the process will remain the same. You simply select OpenAI compatible, paste the base URL, then the API key, and just change the model, whichever model that you're using. And you can directly integrate through clients. If I type the message hi, so it will respond to me. These are the two ways by which you can do that. If I try to execute this Python script, I think it changes to CommonJS and just change it to module. So again, I am executing this node index.js. Now it will try to execute that API request. It is saying that no available channel for model. Sorry, just actually replace the correct model name. Let me change it to DeepSeek version flash. Replace it with the correct name of the model. DeepSeek chat was not the correct model name. So replace it with DeepSeek version flash, whichever model that you're using. Just uh, copy their model ID and paste it. And if I try to execute now, so request is temporarily unavailable due to pricing policy. Some models are free, some models are not free. So you need to see the which models. Let me try this model demo. So you can try this inside your own system as well and just comment whether it's working or not, because it was working for me for past 6 days. It's just a very new website which they have launched, this API website. Many people are using it at the same time. That's why you can see this error 503 request is temporarily unavailable. You can try this with a new account and check whether it's working or not, and try with different models. You can use all the models from here. So definitely check this out, API website which provides you with credits, $2 credits